Hey guys, it's Dennis from tipsmatter.com. We're going to be going over our Forex weekly watch list. Now I'm going to be sharing it with you guys and I'm going to show you exactly what I like to do every Sunday. The only problem is today is not Sunday. Today is Monday, the 12th of November. I could not go over my weekly watch list routine yesterday, so I had to do it today. Um, had a bit of a bad couple of days and I wasn't feeling too good, so I had to well do it today. Okay, I'm taking care of my son here and he's going a little crazy. I am sitting in my living room and don't mind him if you can hear him in the background. Okay, so we're gonna kick things off with a couple of pairs. You can see that I already entered the trade on GBP JPY. I'm gonna go over it with you and explain it to you soon enough, but let's move on to the first pair on our watch list, and that's GBP USD. We're going to be going over the weekly chart. You can see that the previous week here, and I need to show you this. This is important on how you guys check this. You can see that we have bearish momentum to the downside. Price action is not closing. Price action is not closing very high. You can see the gaps up, for example, here, 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 and here. Price action going up but then closing below. So the first pair that I think is a good short, especially this week because we have a lot of Brexit news and GBP news. Sorry, not Brexit news. Brexit news, not GBP. Brexit affects GBP and Euro. Now you can see that these are the lows right here, right there. These are the lows. So naturally I would expect GBP USD to trend downwards toward this area of 1.26700. That would be the area I would expect it to go. Now I'm not going to be going on into the daily charts and to the 4-hour charts because it's just going to take me far too long, and that's something I don't have right now, the luxury of time, because I'm working on that new coaching program I'm about to start doing with you guys. So the next pair that we're going to be going over is Euro JPY. That's this one right there. And I want to show you Euro JPY has something pretty similar going on here. We have a bit of a range in this area. Price action not moving too much, but we do have this bearish pin bar guiding the way for price action to move lower. Lower, I guess, would be somewhere around there. Um, you can see that that's the next major resistance area, and price action is kind of trending right in this zone here. You can see that it's not, since it broke out of this area, it's kind of just sticking to it, not moving very much right there in this area, in this box here. So I expect price action of Euro JPY to go lower because, and one of the good reasons is because we have Brexit news, and there are good chances it will affect both the Euro and the GBP negatively. Excuse my yawning, I'm just a little tired. Next pair is AUD USD, and that's a sell to AUD USD. That is a sell to, that's third in a row. It's going lower nicely since I've checked it. You can see here, well, it's trending inside this trend line. Not going above it, not going below it. It's moving very nicely right within this trending range. And the chances are it's going to move right down to the bottom here. Right down to the bottom. Maybe even lower. Maybe even just continue trending in this zone here and push towards the lows of this trending range right there. So that's another one. AUD USD sell. A good TP would be 0.7125. I'm going to show you that. That could be a short-term day trade. So that's 0.7125. Oops. 7125. So this can be a nice day trade. You can see that price action could move down there. I mean, that's 60 pips. It's worth it. I think I think that there are good reasons for it to go lower. Furthermore, now keep in mind I've got more than 12 pairs here, so the rest of the pairs I'm going to be going over in my trading room, and I'm gonna explain in well, full detail of why I expect them to go lower. That trade that I had, Euro GBP JPY, is moving lower. I want to go over that one because that's the last trade that I had that I wanted to talk to you guys about today. So we're on the 4-hour chart. We'll go over to the weekly so I can show you why I entered this. So last week, strong bearish pin bar. Momentum is to the downside. You can see price action moving lower. We are breaking the DC, the 30-week DC, and hopefully the 30-week EMA. And I think that there are very good chances that price action could come down to the lows of here. That's 144,985. That's not my take profit yet. What I want to show you is that we did gap down and we did correct this gap. The gap did get filled and now we're moving down to the downside. My take profit, you can see my take profit is right there, and I'm targeting this level here, but easily we could target even lower, but I'm happy with 90 pips on this one for now. Okay, this was a very short video. It's a little hard and distracting because my son's running around with my dog and the cat's going crazy, and I have a lot of work to do. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be ending this video, and the rest of the weekly watch list will be updated in the trading room. If you want to join my trading room, just go on pipsmatter.com and I'll happily share it with you. Thanks and have a good day. Bye.